Hello, welcome back. Let's have a short look to the preliminaries. The first item is general definitions. I think we don't really need that here. Let's go straight into the room of maximum features. And let's go through it from left to right. We have a vacuum robot, we have heatings, we have lights, a television, and air conditioning, we have a kitchen, we have some ambient light. In here we have a bathroom, we have a bed, there's a curtain in front of the bed, there's a fan, there's an aquarium, there's an alarm device, there's a television, a home office, a computer, a smart speaker, there are window blinds and windows, there are switches, there's a door with a bell and a security bar. Outside and inside we have temperature and humidity. Inside we have human motion and human presence. Outside we have weather, actual and a forecast. So that is an example of all the devices I came across in nearly 10 years of smart home experience. Of course, there's no single room featuring all those devices, and elements like kitchen and bath usually separated. But your software needs to be able to cope with all of that. So you want to have one software for one room, and the one software needs to support all that. In order to simplify this mess a little bit, I've been grouping the devices for lighting, and that includes lights and blinds or curtains. Environment, which is heating, air conditioning, blinds, curtains for the temperature side of it. It's the windows and, for example, the fan. We have machines like a dishwasher, a washing machine, and a dryer. Oh, there's the dishwasher. We have human-machine interfaces like buttons, smart speakers, displays, or alarms. We have music, like the smart speaker or a sound system. And then we have some special devices, a mobile phone from a person inside the home, laptop, PCs, TVs, doors, vacuum cleaners, routers, Wi-Fi, aquarium. So I can structure the devices into groups, and that is lighting, music, environment, human-machine interface, and special devices and machines. So that is the basis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups covering all those. Now in the next section we'll define room modes. A room can be all off, all on, that will be very bright, and in an automatic or normal mode, which we expect to be the standard kind of on. Yeah? So we have off and on. Then if there is a kitchen and or a dining area, you have a cooking mode, an eating mode, and a doing the dishes mode. Yeah, that's some bit more special. Then for relaxation, we may have a TV mode, a home office mode, not so relaxing, I admit. A mode to relax, sit somewhere in the sofa, have a look outside and enjoy some nice jazz music, for example. Or if it's a bedroom, you may be sleeping and the room is in sleeping mode. Yeah? So now you need to identify for all of your rooms which modes are they capable of. Are these modes sufficient? Do I need some more in my specific environment? Yeah? For all the rooms, you need to manage the parameters, and I actually did that with a config file. I will not now go into details, that may be a separate video later. In the next section, we will define modes for our home. So these are modes for the rooms. Now let's have a look to modes of our home. The home can be populated. Somebody is at home and all the features are switched on. The home can be empty for a certain number of hours. We may reduce the heating but not switch it off. So the functions are reduced. Or the home is kind of deserted. We are off for a 2 weeks holiday, yeah? and then the heating will be off, the security will be at maximum level, and so on. So we also have modes for the smart home itself. In order to support all that and be able to program routines on that, we need information. The information we need is, first of all, the lighting, and that includes the blinds and the lights, to understand the inside of the room. The second is the environment, the temperature, quite important, I would say, humidity, important for a bathroom, air quality. I'm in a small home office and CO2 level increases rapidly, so air quality also could be of interest in some of the rooms. Next level is human presence and motion. Presence not so easy to detect, motion quite a standard. And the last element is the more information we have about the status of all the devices, the better. Information can never do harm. It's always good to have it. So the more devices you integrate into your smart home, the more clever you can make your routines. Well, that's about the main items on the preliminaries. Thanks for listening. Now we are fit for the next chapter, customer demands and the concepts to achieve customer satisfaction. If you are curious, I'll be happy to see you back soon.